In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Calendly events seamlessly into your Squarespace website. This will ensure that your visitors and clients can easily see and book your available time slots without ever leaving your site. Calendly is a powerful tool for managing appointments, and embedding it directly into your site can greatly enhance user experience and streamline your scheduling process. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, head over to the Calendly homepage and log in with your account credentials. From there, you'll be able to see a list of all the events you've created. Decide which of these events you want to feature on your Squarespace site. This selection is crucial as it determines what your visitors will see when they're ready to book a time with you. Once you've identified the desired events, look for the Share button next to the event you want to integrate. Click on this button to explore your sharing options. Upon clicking the Share button, you'll see an option that says Add to Website. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be given various embedding options. Choose Inline Embed, which is perfect for integrating directly onto a web page, providing a smooth, cohesive look. After selecting Inline Embed, click on Continue to proceed to the next step, where you'd obtain the necessary code. Here, you'd see a Copy Code button. Clicking this will copy the HTML or JavaScript snippet you need for embedding. Now, switch over to your Squarespace site. You'll want to navigate to the page where you'd like to insert your calendar. Select the Add Block button on that page and look for the Code option in the block menu. Click this to open up the editing window. Once inside the code block, you'll want to remove any placeholder text or code that's there initially. After it's cleared out, simply paste the embed code that you copied from Calendly. With the code now embedded, you're almost ready to show your new calendar to the world. Before you finalize this edition, click on Preview in Safe Mode to ensure that everything appears and functions as expected. If all looks good and the calendar is interactive, it's time to make it official. You'll find a Save button at the top left corner of your editor. Write that down to save all your changes. Finally, click Exit to return to the normal viewing mode of your site. And there you have it. Your Calendly events are now part of your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you've just made booking appointments with you easier than ever for your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy scheduling!